Apple CarPlay is a feature that transfers the display and control of some of your iPhone's functions to the vehicle's center display screen. Because it also handles hands-free phone and streaming functions, Apple CarPlay overrides the Bluetooth system when connected. For a full list of available functions and iPhone model compatibility, visit www.apple.com/iOS/CarPlay. For best results, update your device to the latest software version. To use Apple CarPlay, ensure Siri is enabled on your device. Touch Settings, Siri and Search, then these icons. To connect to Apple CarPlay wirelessly, you must first connect your iPhone to the vehicle's Bluetooth. Touch Settings, Connections, Device, then Add Device. A message will appear on your vehicle's screen directing you to perform the following procedure on your device. Touch Settings, Bluetooth, then the name of your vehicle. Ensure that the code on your vehicle's screen matches the code displayed on your device. Then, on your device, touch Pair, Allow, then use CarPlay. A notification will appear on your vehicle's screen. Touch Yes to use Apple CarPlay. If wireless connection is not available, connect your iPhone using the cable that came with your phone to a USB port. A message will appear on the display to confirm whether or not you want to use the Apple CarPlay feature. Touch Yes. To disable or enable Apple CarPlay, touch this icon. Touch Connections, Device, this information icon, then Apple CarPlay to change the setting to active or inactive. From this menu, you can also touch Vehicles Help for Apple CarPlay for a list of helpful tips. From one of these keys, you can touch to switch to a different device. After your iPhone is recognized by the system, the vehicle's center display screen will change to a menu of available iPhone functions. Touch an icon to access that function. Touch this icon to return to the Apple CarPlay main menu. Touch this icon or an item on the launch bar to return to normal vehicle functions. To return to the Apple CarPlay screen, touch the Apple CarPlay icon on the launch bar. To access Siri while connected to Apple CarPlay, touch and hold this key on the Apple CarPlay screen. Some Siri functions are not available while driving. For best results when using Siri, speak clearly and reduce background noise by closing the windows and moonroof, if so equipped. Also direct the vents so that they are not pointing toward the vehicle microphone. To exit Siri operation, touch this key on the Apple CarPlay screen. If Apple CarPlay does not automatically connect, check your device to make sure Siri is enabled, Bluetooth is enabled, and Apple CarPlay is enabled. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.